Ever wonder why people make the choices they do in daily life? Behind every decision are powerful stories of culture and behavior, and understanding them can unlock big business opportunities. Well, Southeast Asia is diverse and dynamic, yet many business models rely on Western assumptions that don't always fit.
A lot of times we're swimming in data, yet we don't know what to do next. To me, there's a difference though between what data is and what insight is. We use these terms interchangeably, data and insight, and I don't think they're the same. Data actually identifies the what, and insight explains the why, or the motivation behind why customers do what they do.
My name is Kritini Natawutisit, Associate Professor of Marketing at Sasin.
I'm Gina Fong, and I'm a consumer anthropologist and a clinical assistant professor at the Kellogg School of Management at Northwestern University.
My journey with ethnography began at Kellogg School of Management, where I was trained by Professor John Cherry, one of the pioneers of ethnographic research in marketing.
I'm an ethnographer by trade, which means I help students understand their customers really deeply. And that's because I'm also a practitioner. At the end of the day, what I want you to do is be able to take the theory and the frameworks and apply them in the real world.
Together with Professor Gina Fong, you will receive hands-on training in ethnographic tools to discover how to spot business opportunities, craft inspiring research questions, and fuel genuine innovation.
And by that I mean you're going to conduct ethnographies on your own, going into someone's natural habitat and interviewing them, understanding them in their own world. The other thing that we'll do in the course is learn to analyze qualitative data. We'll do that together. And what that means is looking for patterns of behavior. And once you understand the why behind someone's behavior, you can start to predict them. So you can create brands, products, and services that'll surprise and delight your customers.
By the end of the course, you'll not only be equipped to navigate change, you'll be empowered to lead it.
Are you ready to really understand your customers?
And use that insights to turbo your business.